Okie doke. What's up, everybody? I got two different views going on here. I got my phone on my live stream on smoke portrait. I had to think there. I've got caffeine surging through my freaking veins right now. I actually really like that angle. I should set up a second camera right there. If I had a second camera. Here's where the best part of the day is. One, started my day off with some Rampage coffee. If you do end up buying some, use Artist W20. This isn't so much of an unboxing, more as it is a unenveloping, not uneloping, and unenveloping. Oh, caffeine is beautiful. This is from the dudes at Craft & Lore. I picked this up about, what, 2 weeks ago-ish? Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks. It is a wallet. It's the, what is it, you know what, screw it, it'll tell me in here. He had already the FedEx delivery guy had already printed off the attempted delivery thing. Thanks, FedEx, you're fantastic. So, got my EDC knife because, well, I'm into that whole thing now. Yes, I'm that hipster. So dope. So this is from Coeur d'Alene City, North Idaho, which is actually, if I remember right, where Miles Kennedy from Alter Bridge was born, or something, or at least his hometown. Found these guys because lately I've been looking into a lot of EDC stuff, becoming having an EDC, which for my basic carry is just this knife, my flashlight, blind you, probably just fried my sensor, and this pen that I found in one of the garbage trucks I was in. So, my original wallet, which I put somewhere else, is a Fossil slim wallet with a money clip on the back. I wanted something a bit better, a little bit more rustic and more patina-able because I'm on a patina kick. I'm going to be starting a new Instagram highlight series called the Patina Project, and all of my leather stuff that I use, either Obenaufs on, or I'm going to be getting some Smiths as well because I want to see what the difference between the two of them would be like. All that leather is going to be put on both Robertson Studio Works and Smoke Portrait. I'm doing. Yikes. So that's going to be the Patina Project, and that's where this comes in. I saw this, I saw the way that they're leather patinas, and I was just like, holy crap. So, oh no way, it even comes in a little baggie. That's so dope. So cool. And it comes in a little burlap sack. You can't get much more baller than that. Yeah, you get a little business card with it. Yeah, this feels a little bit dry. I mean, it's gone from Idaho to Canada, so it doesn't surprise me. I can't wait to see how this thing ends up patinaing. Patina? Doing the patina dance? We'll call it that. And not only are they amazing guys, but just the look of this thing. This is... Why did my brain literally just look at the name of this wallet and then decide to forget it? The port. There it is. One of my favorite types of wine. Port wine, there it is. Here's a good year, there it is. I haven't drank an entire Chemex of espresso beans. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not over-caffeinated at all. But holy crap. Between the little burlap sack, the wallet, the business card, and the fact that it comes in this real... Canadian patent pending, eh? It looks way too cool. So, I'm going to kill the video camera. I'm going to get some stuff shot, and then once I get the Patina Project shots done, which is going to be just the baseline, this is what it looks like fresh out of the bag, box, envelope. I'm going to put my first layer of Obenaufs on this and see what the color looks like, because I may only do one and then I'll probably end up picking up a tin of Smiths, because as far as I know, Smiths doesn't darken as much, but we shall see. Okay, so this is going to stick on, this is going to die. Not literally, because I don't want my camera to die, because that'd be awkward.